Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is another demonstration of autocrat using it as a random story generator. I've already used it before, but what I'm going to do is get rid of any hint of what it might do in the past. Hopefully that will not confuse the algorithm. So what I've done is I've created name of first character, second character, and then adjective describing character 1 and adjective describing character 2. I've got a name list that is automatically pulling those names randomly from A2, in this case A2 to A12, and then here's a second character, A2 to A12, and here is the adjectives describing the various people. So that's the core data, and let's go ahead, and that is the output. Close that. And here is the template. Once upon a time, first character, second character, name of second character, adjective describing character 2, adjective describing character 1, as we see them here at the top. Now, let's go ahead and run it. Add-ons, autocrat, launch. I'm going to edit this because it's now version 3. I've made some changes. Next. And that's the name of the current template. That's fine. That's what I'm going to use. Next. And you see that it's already pulled in from this tab here, story. You see that there's a number of other tabs. Don't use those. I'm not going to use those. Story, name list, etc. Ignore. Name of first car, name of first char, second char, describing char 2, and char 1. Click on next. And this will be V3. Next. I don't know why it does that. I don't want it to. I click on it and it opens it. I don't want it to open the file, the directory. So I go to next. Next. I'm going to ignore all of those. No. No. And then save. So what I'm doing is just basically setting up the script so that I can run it in the future. Now I'm going to run it. Okay, now we can see that it's created doc ID, doc URL, and here's the link to the merged document. I'm going to click on that. And now we can see that it has generated this new story. Harold and Peter. Harold and Peter, cheerful and caustic. Caustic, cheerful. All right, so that is how Autocrat can work for you to generate stories. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.